students. Myself Bharti C. In the last video, I completed chapter 3rd, Weather and Climate. Today, I will starting the chapter 4, the Democratic Republic of Congo. In this chapter, main things are location of the DRC, vegetation, climate, communication and transport, life of the people. So let's start study. In this chapter, we will learn about our location of the Democratic Republic of Congo, its climate, vegetation, life, wildlife, natural resources and life of the people. So first topic, location of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Africa is the second largest continent, everybody know, and third the largest country in Africa is Democratic Republic of Congo, the land of dense forest. So I need to tell you DRC, short form of Democratic Republic of Congo. DRC lie in the equatorial region. The region lie on the both sides of the equator, earlier known as DRC Zaire. Its capital Kinshasa. Look at the map of DRC. DRC is surrounded by 9 countries: Central African Republic and Sudan in the north, Uganda, Rwanda, Tanzania and Burundi in the east, Congo in the west, Zambia and Angola in the south. After river Nile, the Congo River, also known as Zaire River, is the second longest river in Africa and flow through DRC. The river Congo is called the highway of Central Africa. Second topic in this chapter, climate. The climate of DRC is very hot and wet because DRC located near the equator and thus have a hot and wet climate throughout the year. Mornings are pleasant, but the noon temperature are high between 30 degree to 35 degrees centigrade. In the afternoon, heavy rainfall for short period are common. Evening and nights are cool. Third topic, vegetation. Most of the DRC is covered with rainforest. These is a dense growth of creepers and shrubs, and all the trees are evergreen. The trees in these forests grow very tall and from a canopy which prevents sunlight from reaching the ground. In some parts where the climate is not so hot and wet, we can find grassland and short trees. These grasslands are called savanna. Third topic, wildlife. DRC called the natural zoo of the world because area is dense forest. Lion, zebra, giraffe, okapi, teach, sleeping sickness. So many animals found in the DRC. Natural resources. The natural resources is rich in minerals of DRC like gold, diamond, copper, manganese, cobalt, uranium and coal. It is largest producer of cobalt and industrial diamond in the world. Agriculture. Farming and mining are the main occupation of the people. Farmers practice shifting agriculture In this system, some forest land is cleared and crops are grown for 2-3 years. Rice, cassava are the main crops grown here. Cassava is the staple food of the people of this country. Life of the people. Due to hot and humid climate, life generally wear light colored clothes. The people are quite tall and hefty. They have dark skin color. Their hair are short and curly. In cities, people wear modern clothes and live in good houses. Democratic Republic of Congo, the biggest race is called Bantu. The primitive tribe called the Pygmies. Pygmies live in the interior of the forest. People of these tribes are excellent hunters. They make hut with branches and leaves. The Pygmies do not grow crops. Their food consists of meat, nuts, roots, fruits and berries. Next topic, transport and communication. Transport and communication are not well developed in the DRC because of dense forest. At many places there are navigation due to rapids and waterfalls. The river Congo is navigable only in parts due to waterfalls. Major cities: Kinshasa, Matadi. Kinshasa is the capital and biggest city of DRC. It has a population of about 2.25 million. Second, Matadi. Matadi is the biggest seaport of Democratic Republic of Congo. These cities had many small-scale industrial units. Thanks. Have a nice day.